In the previous lecture, we have discussed that the definition of limit, indeterminate forms, determinate forms, and also I have told you 7 type of indeterminate forms are there. First is 0 by 0, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, infinity by infinity. These are called algebraic indeterminate form, and 0 power 0, infinity power 0, and 1 power plus minus infinity. These are called exponential indeterminate form. Okay, so this we have already discussed. Now we will continue. We'll see the methods to evaluate limits. So what are the methods we have available? First method is called factorization method. Okay, factorization method. So in the factorization method, what we will do, we will factorize the numerator or denominator according to the question. So we will factorize numerator or denominator according to the question. So we will factorize numerator or denominator according to the question. This is called factorization. Second, we have to study that is called rationalization method. So what is rationalization method? So we have to rationalize numerator or denominator according to the question one time or more than one time, until unless we are not getting 0 by 0. So we have to rationalize numerator or denominator. We have to rationalize numerator or denominator according to the question. Okay, this is called rationalization method. Next, third, that is most important, and so many questions is solved by this only, that is called use of binomial theorem. So for now I will only discuss one binomial theorem only. Then we will move when I will discuss the Taylor series expansion and others. In that case, I will give you more Taylor series or expansions. Okay, so for example, if we have a plus x power n, and everyone is known that summation of r equal to 0 to n CR a power of n minus r and x power of r. Okay, so these are the binomial theorem we know. Now let's discuss one by one questions. So see that first question, limit. Yesterday I have told you one thing. Let's say limit n tends to infinity. If I want, let's say 1 by n. In that question you can see here n is in the denominator, so that means in the denominator very large number is there, and we have already discussed if we take very large number in the denominator, the answer will approaches to 0. So answer will approach to 0. The answer is 0. Second question, let's discuss. Let's say limit n tends to infinity 2n plus 3 by 7n minus 6. By seeing the question, if I put n tends to infinity in numerator, I'll see the answer will become infinity in the numerator and also infinity in the denominator. This is the infinity by infinity form. Now how to solve that question? So see, I will divide n by numerator and denominator. So I'll get 2n plus 3 by n by 7n minus 6 by n, and you will get limit n tends to infinity. I'll get 2 plus 3 by n, and here I'll get 7 minus 6 by n. So if n will tend to infinity, this will become 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Okay. Now one more. Let's say limit n tends to infinity, 2n square plus 6n plus 9 by 5n square plus 2n plus 3. Pause the video and try. Okay. So I hope you have tried. So you have guessed it right. We have to divide in this case by n square. Very good. So n tends to infinity. If I put, here also I'll get infinity by infinity form. Now infinity by infinity form, so we'll divide it by n square, and we'll get here limit n tends to infinity, 2n square plus 6n plus 9 by n square, and here I'll get 5n square plus 2n plus 3 by n square. Okay. So you can see here, this will become limit n tends to infinity. This will become 2 plus 6 by n plus 9 by n square, and here it will come 5 plus 2 by n plus 3 by n square. So if n will tend to infinity, 1 by infinity will become 0. So you can see this will approach to 0. This will also approach to 0, and this will also approach to 0, and this will also approach to 0. If you have understood that, so this answer will come 2 by 5. Now if you see the pattern, so tell me one thing. Limit, question number 3rd, limit n tends to infinity, 5n cube plus 6n square plus 2n plus 5 by 7n cube plus 9n square plus 5n plus 3. Tell me the answer. You guessed it. First the infinity by infinity form. Tell me by which you have to divide. By which you have to divide? Correct. We have to divide it by n cube. Now here also you will get all the thing will become 0, and answer. What is the answer will come? Can you tell me? 5 by 7. Absolutely correct. The coefficient will come only here, the highest coefficient. Here also highest coefficient. Now let's try one more question. 4th. Limit n tends to infinity, 2n plus 6 by n square plus 5n plus 1. So can you tell me, here it is clear that here we have to divide it by infinity form is there. Correct. So that means here we'll see this will become limit n tends to infinity. Now see here by which you have to divide. Here by which you have to divide. Will say sir n square. I'll say yes. Correct. So 2n plus 6 by n square, and here I'll get n square plus 5n plus 1 by n square. So that means I am getting limit n tends to infinity. Here I am getting 2 by n plus 6 by n square, and here I am getting 1 plus 5 by n plus 1 by n square. So when n will tend to 0, that means this will go to 0. When n will tend to infinity, this will also go to 0. and this will also go to 0. This will also go to 0. So we can say here 0 by 1, that means answer is 0. So did you observe the pattern? If the numerator degree is less than the denominator degree, that means the answer will come 0 only. And if the numerator and denominator has same degree, in that case the answer will come coefficient by coefficient. And if now you tell me, let's say question number 5. Limit n tends to infinity 2n square plus 3n plus 5 by 6n plus 7. Now again this is infinity by infinity form, by which you have to divide. You'll say sir n square. I'll say yes, you're correct. You're absolutely correct. So that means I'm getting here limit n tends to infinity. Here I'll get 2 plus, here I'll get 3 by n, and here I'm getting 5 by n square, and here I'm getting 6 by n, and here I'm getting 7 by n square. So here see, I'm here getting this is will go to 0. This will also go to 0. This is also will go to 0. This will also go to 0. But is that denominator is going to exact 0 or 0 plus? You say, sir, yesterday only you told, now 1 by infinity is 0 plus. I'll say yes. That means this is nothing but this is 2 by 0 plus. And 2 by 0 plus, what is the answer? You'll say, sir, plus infinity. Plus infinity. Okay. The answer came plus infinity. So that means if numerator degree is greater than the denominator degree, that means the answer will come plus infinity. If this is the case, I'll write like that, limit x tend to infinity. Okay. Here I'm writing polynomial a0 x power m, okay, plus a1 x power m minus 1 plus dot dot a n, and here I'm getting a b0 x power n, b1 x power n minus 1 plus dot dot am, and here I'm getting bn. Now I'm writing the very important result for you. Okay, this answer will come a0 by b0 when m equal to n. When m will become greater than n, this will become plus infinity, and if m will come less than n, then this will come, can you tell me? Yes, 0. We have already seen that by the example. Okay. So now you can see here, you can directly write the answer. What is the answer in that question? 2 by 7, because here n degree or is 1 degree is 1, 2 by 7. Correct. You'll say yes sir, understood. Now let's see one more question. Let's say, can you tell me what is the formula of x square minus 1, or you can say x square minus a square? You'll say sir, it's very easy now. I'll say tell me. So this is nothing but x minus a into x plus a. Correct? Absolutely correct. Now I'll ask, tell me x cube minus a cube. I'll say x minus a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. I'll say correct. Correct. You are correct. X square plus ax plus a square. Correct. Now let's study x power 4 minus a power 4. So can you tell me what is the formula? X square minus a square into x square plus a square. I'll say yes. Now this will eventually come x minus a into x plus a, and here will come x square plus a square. I'll say yes, you are correct. So that means I'll come here x minus a into, here will come x cube plus x a square plus ax square plus a cube. Now see the pattern. See the pattern. Now I'm asking to you, tell me x power n minus a power n. You will say, sir, x power n minus a power n. So for sure here in the second order also, when the polynomial has ordered second also, you're getting x minus a. When cube also we're getting x minus a. When 4 also you're getting x minus a. That means when n also we'll get what is that, x minus a. I'll say yes. And when that is 4, it is starting from 3. When that is 3, it is starting from 2. And that is 2 starting from 1. That means, can I say this will start from x power n minus 1? You will say yes, sir, you are correct. Now see, here I will write this as this x minus a into x cube plus x square a plus x a square plus a cube. Now see, x power has decreased and a power increase. Again, if I see here x power, notice the x power, first x power 3, then x power 2, then x power 1, then x power 0, and a power here 0, then a power 1, a power 2, and a power 3. That means x power is decreasing and a power is increasing. You'll say yes, sir, correct. X power decreasing and a power increasing. That means here what will come? X power n minus 2 into a. Here what will come? X power n minus 3 into a square. And like that, when it will go, it will come a power of n minus 1. I'll say correct. Correct. Now see, I want to evaluate one limit, that is called limit x tending to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a. So let's write the formula of x power n minus a power n first. What will go? I'll get limit x tending to a, and here I'll get x minus a into, what is that, x power n minus 1 plus x power n minus 2 into a plus x power n minus 3 into a square plus dot 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 a power n minus 1. And like that, in the denominator I'll get x minus a. Can you feel that this x minus a, x minus will cancel each other? Why? Because x is going to a, x is not a, x is going to a. So that means I'm getting limit x tending to a, x power n minus 1 plus x power n minus 2 into a plus x power n minus 3 into a square plus dot dot a power of n minus 1. You'll say correct, sir. And I'll say C. Can you tell me how many terms are there? You'll say, sir, when x power is 4, here I'm getting 4 terms. When x power 3, here I'm getting 3 terms. When x power 2, here I'm getting 2 terms. That means when x power n, here I'll get how many terms? I'll get here n terms. I'll say correct. Here I'll get n terms only. Now when you put here a, what will happen? See, here will come a power of n minus 1. Here will come a power of n minus 2 into a. Here will come a power of n minus 3 into a square plus dot dot. Here will come a power of n minus 1. all the x will replace by a. So ultimately here what I'm getting, a power of n minus 1 plus a power of n minus 1 plus a power of n minus 1 plus dot a power of n minus 1. How many times? How many times? N times. I'll say yes, you are correct. So that means what we get, n a power of n minus 1. This is so important. You have to remember that. Okay, you have to remember that. So if that is the case, that means what we have derived limit x tending to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a, this is nothing but n a power n minus 1, where this x will not equal a, okay. Now let's derive the question, limit x tending to 1, x cube minus 1 by x minus 1. What is the answer? Say, sir, x cube minus 1 is there and in the denominator x minus 1 is there. Can you apply the formula of a cube minus b cube? I'll say no need. What is that? This will come limit x tending to 1. This will come x cube minus 1 cube by x minus 1. Okay. So that means a x cube minus a cube by x minus x tending to 1 or a. So that means what is the answer? 3 into 1 power of 3 minus 1. So that means what is the answer? 3. Correct answer is 3. Now let's try one more. You try. Limit x tending to 2, x cube minus 8 by x minus 2. Okay, sir, I know that. Yes, you know that. Tell me the answer. Pause the video and try. You will get what is that? X cube minus 2 cube by x minus 2. What is the answer? 3 into 2 power of 3 minus 1. 3 into 4, what is that? 12. I'll say yes, correct. You are absolutely correct. Now do it. 3. Tell me limit x tending to 5. Okay, x tending to 5. X power of 7 by 2 minus 5 power of 7 by 2 by, okay, by x power of 9 by 2 minus 5 power of 9 by 2. Try. First, if I put 5 here, 5 power 7 by 2 minus 5 power 7 by 2, 5 power 9 by 2, 5 power 9 by 2, we will get the form of 0 by 0. Correct? You will say yes, sir, correct. But the thing is, how we will apply the formula here? How will apply? Because we know the limit extending to a x power n minus a power n. But we doesn't know here x power n minus a power n in numerator is there and x power n minus a power n in denominator is also there. How to solve that? Think. So if you have tried, so this will get limit x tending to 5. Here will get x power of 7 by 2 minus 5 power of 7 by 2 by x minus 5. Since we have taken x minus 5 extra, we have to multiply also x minus 5. And similarly, here also x power of 9 by 2 minus 5 power of 9 by 2 by x minus 5. Since we have taken x minus 5 extra, we have to multiply that x minus 5. Correct? You will say yes, sir, correct. We have understood. So since x will tend to 5, that means this x minus 5 will cancel each other. Okay, and here now we can apply the formula. What is that? N a power n minus 1, n a power n minus 1. So this 2 and 2 cancel. I'm getting 7 by 9 and 5 power of, here I'm getting 7 by 2 minus 1. What is that? 5 by 2. And here I'm getting 5 power of 7 by 2. So what I'm getting here, eventually I'm getting 7 by 9 into 5 power of 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2. So 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2. So it will come 2, 5 minus 7, minus 2 by 2, matlab minus 1. I'm getting 7 by 9 into 5 power of minus 1. And what I'm getting eventually, I'm getting 7 by 9 into 5. 7 by 9 into 5. Okay, that means I'm getting answer 7 by 45. Correct? We'll say yes sir, correct. Understood. Next, see that question. Can you tell me now, one question I'm giving you. Question number, what is that? 3, 4. Limit x tending to 1, x power of 100 minus 1 by x power of 20 minus 1. How to do that? Tell me. How many of you are getting? You'll say, sir, understood. What you have to do, you have to divide it by x minus 1 and it will come limit x tending to 1, x power 100 minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 1 upon x power 20 minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 1. And you can see here x minus 1 cancel each other. So I'm getting here 100 into 1 power 99 upon 20 into 1 power 19. So ultimately we are getting answer 5. Next. Okay. Now next. So next question number 5. Now let's see some question regarding rationalization. Okay. Rationalization means we have to rationalize either numerator or denominator. So let's say we have one question is there here, limit x tend to 0, x by under root of 5 minus x minus under root of 5 plus x. So if I put here x tending to 0, here I am getting in numerator I am getting 0 and denominator also I am getting 0. Now what will do? I'll rationalize. So let's rationalize. I'll get here limit x tend to 0 and here I'm getting x into under root of 5 minus x minus under root of 5 plus x plus upon under root of 5 minus x minus under root of 5 plus x into under root of 5 minus x plus under root of 5 plus x. A plus b into a minus b formula. Apply. What will get? Limit x tending to 0, x into under root of 5 minus x plus under root of 5 plus x. And here I am getting 5 minus x minus 5 minus x. 5 and 5 cancel. So I am getting what is that? I am getting limit x tending to 0, x into under root of 5 minus x plus under root of 5 plus x by minus 2x. X cancel each other. See, when I have done rationalization, now we are not getting 0 by 0. We are not getting 0 by 0. That means now we can put the values, because 0 by 0 is indeterminable. Other values are not indeterminable. So what we get here? Under root 5 plus under root 5 by minus 2. That means 2 under root 5 by minus 2. 2 to cancel. I am getting answer minus under root 5. Correct? You'll say yes sir, understood. Now let's see one more question. Question number 6. Limit x tending to 9, 3 minus root x by 4 minus root of 2x minus 2. See, first let's see, is it forming 0 by 0 first? So if I put here 9, root 9 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, and 18 minus 2 16, 16 under root 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. So we have to do the rationalization. But the thing is, here we will do the numerator rationalization or denominator rationalization. You'll say, sir, we are not understanding. What should we do? We have to do the numerator rationalization or denominator. I'll say both. Do both. Because both are giving 0. Now we have to remove both. So let's see. So I'll get here limit x tending to 9. Here I'm getting 3 minus root x into, I'm multiplying it by 3 plus root x, and here I'm getting 4 minus root of 2x minus 2, 4 plus root of 2x minus 2, and this we have taken extra, that means 4 plus root of 2x minus 2, and here I'm getting 3 plus root x. Okay, you'll say yes, understood. That means let's do now rationalization of this part and rationalization of this part. So we'll get limit x tending to 9. Here I'm getting 9 minus x by 16 minus 2x plus 2, and here I'm getting 4 plus under root of 2x minus 2, and I'm getting 3 plus root x. Okay, now see here. So here I'm getting, what is that? Limit x tending to 9, 9 minus x, and here I'm getting 18 minus 2x, and this is I'm getting 4 plus root of 2x minus 2, and here I'm getting 3 plus root x. Now let's take common 2 from the denominator. I'm getting here 9 minus x, and here I'm getting 2 into 9 minus x, and here I'm getting 4 plus under root of 2x minus 2 by 3 plus root x. Now see one thing, this 9 minus x, 9 minus x cancel each other. 0 by 0 form is gone. 0 by 0 form is gone. Now put x equal to 9. Here I am getting 18 minus 2 16, 4, 4 plus 4 8 is coming, means 0 by 0 is not coming. So here I am getting 8 by 2 into 6. So 4 ja, 2 ja, and 3 ja. The answer I am getting 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3. You'll say yes. Next see, we will discuss one more question. So question number 7. So this says limit x tend to 0 under root of ax plus b minus 2 by x is equal to 1, then a comma b. ठीक है, we'll say yes sir, correct. Now see one thing. So if I see that limit x tending to 0 under root of ax plus b minus 2 by x, in denominator you are getting 0. That means if the limit should exist, why? Because they are telling the answer is 1, that is limit exists. That means numerator should come over that 0, then only we are getting 0 by 0, then we can do the rationalization and then we can find the value of a and b. We'll say yes sir. That means this numerator will also come 0 only, then only we can apply our limit concept. That means what I'm getting there, under root of ax plus b minus 2 equal to what, that 0. That means I can say ax plus b value is nothing but 4. Remember this result, ax plus b equal to what, that 4. Now I'm getting 0 by 0. So if I'm getting 0 by 0, that means we will apply rationalization. Then. So we'll get limit x tend to 0. I'm getting under root of ax plus b minus 2 into under root of ax plus b plus 2 by x into under root of ax plus b plus 2. Yes, we'll say yes sir, correct, absolutely correct. So that means I'm getting here limit x tending to 0. Here I'm getting ax plus b minus 4. X plus b minus 4 upon x into under root of ax plus b plus 2, and they are telling this answer should come 1. That means limit exists. If the limit exists, that means in the previous question analysis we have got, however, that numerator part should cancel the denominator part. That means, will you understand this? This b minus 4 should become 0. Sir, once more. Okay. See that previous question. Whenever we are getting something, this numerator part, denominator part should cancel. Then only that 0 by 0 removal is possible. That means here also you can see this removal is so important, then only you can cancel that. So sir, understood. So that means we can say here this b minus 4 equal to 0. That means I'm getting b equal to 4. Okay. And we know one thing. What we know? Ax plus b equal to 4. So ax plus b equal to 4 means, what is that? Ax equal to 0. Ax equal to 0. We will come to that. But see now first. I am getting limit x tend to 0. This x and x will cancel each other, and I am getting a by under root of ax plus 4 plus 2 equal to 1. 0 by 0 form gone. Correct. We'll say yes sir, it's gone. So if it's gone, that means I can write here a by 2 plus 2 equal to 1. That means I'm getting a equal to that 4. A equal to 4. That means the answer is A equal to 4 and B equal to 4. A equal to 4 and B equal to 4. Once again guys. So here we have done a small mistake. Okay, here we have done a small mistake. So we are getting the correct result actually. Now from here only we can get the answer of B. Okay, so if I put numerator part equal to 0 as x tending to 0, what I'm getting? Under root B minus 2 equal to 0. That means here only I'm getting B equal to 4. Eventually I'm getting at the last only B equal to 4, but here also I'm getting B equal to 4, because if I put here x tending to 0, this will become 0 only. So that means under root B minus 2 equal to 0, that means B equal to 4. And eventually here also I can get B equal to 4, and after that we'll get A equal to 4. Okay, so like that I'm getting A comma B equal to 4 comma 4. So see, B value we can write, we can starting only we can find, and by the rationalization also you can find, and ultimately this 4 minus 4 will eventually become 0 only. So the answer will become 4 comma 4 only. Okay, so we have learned this question in two method actually. Okay, so starting only we are finding B equal to 4, and also rationalization also we are getting B equal to 4. Nice. Next, now you tell me what is the answer of, now you tell me what is the answer of this question. Question number one question I'm giving you 7, 8. You tell me limit x tend to infinity 2x square minus 3x plus 7 upon x square minus 4x plus 2. You'll say, sir, degree is same now. I'll say yes, the degree is same. So what is the answer? I'll say 2 by 1 means 2. Correct. Very good. Next. So we have already done that. Now see one more question. 8. Limit n tends to infinity 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 n square by n cube. How to solve that problem? Can you tell me? We know one thing. Pause the video and try. Pause the video first, try, then see the solution. So you'll get limit n tends to infinity. This expansion you all know, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. By 6 we can go outside, and here I'm getting n cube. Okay. Now if I see here degree is same, what is the highest coefficient? That will become 2n cube, 2n and n square and n cube by n cube. That means the answer should be 1 by 6, and n cube coefficient here I'm getting 2, and numerator I'm getting 1. That means 2 by 6. If I cancel, I'll get 1 by 3. How many of you understood? Tell me. 1 by 3 is the correct answer. Next. Now we will see the concept of minus infinity. See that. So our limit in that case, now limit is going to extending to minus infinity. I hope everyone is know that you have to know that property under root of x square. What is that? Mod x. Under root of x square equal to mod x. So limit extending to minus infinity, here I am getting under root of x square plus 1 by 3x minus 6. Now listen to me very carefully. Okay. What will do? Here I write limit x tending to minus infinity, and here I will take common x square. I am getting 1 plus 1 by x square by Here I'm getting 3x minus 6. Okay, we'll say yes sir, understood. Now this x square will go outside and I'm getting limit x tending to minus infinity. Large number from left side. Yesterday only you have discussed large number from the left side. Then this will come mod x under root of 1 plus 1 by x square upon 3x minus 6. Now large number from the left side, the mod x will come, correct, minus 6. So this will come, x is negative, that means mod x will become minus 6. That means it will come limit extending to minus infinity, minus 6 under root of 1 plus 1 by x square upon 3x minus 6. Now let's divide by x, numerator and denominator. What will get? Limit extending to minus infinity, here will come minus under root of 1 plus 1 by x square, and here I am getting 3 minus 6 by x square. Now x will go to the minus infinity, that means here will come, this will go to 0, and here I am getting minus 1 by 3. But the thing is, why I have discussed this question? Why I have discussed this question? The answer will come minus 1 by 3, not 1 by 3. People may do the mistake. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. What you have to not do? If I here limit extending to minus infinity, if I take divide by x on the numerator and denominator, I'll get under root of x square plus 1 by x by 3x minus 6 by x. So when this x will go to under root, I am getting limit x tending to minus infinity, and here I am getting under root of 1 plus 1 by x square, and here I am getting 3 minus 6 by x. That means if x will go to minus infinity, 1 by x square will become 0. That means this will become 1 by 3. This is absolutely wrong. Can you tell me which step it is coming wrong? Which step? Which step it is wrong? Yes, you are guessing right. We cannot write from this line to this line. Cannot write that. It is illegal because x is negative. X is negative, and negative number cannot be get inserted to the under root, because under root is always positive quantity. It's not x, it's minus x. Mod x will come minus x, and mod x square will come x square. So that's why we cannot do that. We are not allowed to do that. Okay, so don't do that. Next, let's study one more question, minus infinity questions. So question number 10. Limit x tend to minus infinity under root of 3x square minus 1 minus under root of 2x square minus 1 by 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3. Now let's take x square from the numerator. What will get? Limit x tend to minus infinity, and let's take x square common. I'll get here 3 minus 1 by x square, and here also I can take x square common. I'm getting 2 minus 1 by x square by, here I'm getting 4x plus 3. Now x square under root of x square, what is that? Mod x. So it will come limit x tend to minus infinity, and here it will come mod x, and here I'm getting under root of 3 minus 1 by x square minus under root of 2 minus 1 by x square by, here I'm getting 4x plus 3. Now x is going towards minus infinity, that means mod x will go minus x. So I'm getting minus limit x tending to minus infinity. Here I'm getting x, and now it will come under root of 3 minus 1 by x square minus under root of 2 minus 1 by x square by 4x plus 3. Now let's divide it by x. I'm getting minus limit x tending to minus infinity, and it will come under root of 3 minus 1 by x square minus under root of 2 minus 1 by x square, and here I'm getting 4 plus 3 by x. So that means x will go to minus infinity, that means 1 by x square will become eventually 0. So I'm getting under root 3 minus under root 2 by 4, and that is our answer. Okay, once again guys, so correct. So that means that is our answer, that is minus of root 3 minus root 2 by 4. Okay, minus of root 3 minus root 2 by 4. Now let's move to the next question. Question number कितना 11. This says limit x tending to minus 2. Okay, x tending to minus 2, 1 by x plus 2 minus 12 by x cube plus 8. Now see, if x will go to minus 2, that means minus 2 by plus 2, it will come 0 plus or 0 minus, can you tell me? It will go, it can be 0 plus, it can be 0 minus, no matter. Here also you will get 1 by 0 plus and minus 8 plus 8 means 0, means 1 by 0 plus and 12 by 0 plus, that means infinity minus infinity form. And what I told you about infinity minus infinity form yesterday, that always take LCM whenever you will see the question regarding infinity minus infinity form. Yes or no? You will say yes sir. So that means, can I write here limit x tending to minus 2, and here I am getting 1 by x plus 2 minus 12 by x plus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 4 minus a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, now let's take common 1 by x plus 2. So limit x tending to minus 2, I'll take 1 by x plus 2 common, and I'm getting here 1 minus 12 by x square minus 2x plus 4. Now let's take LCM. I'm getting limit x tending to minus 2, 1 by x plus 2, and here I'm getting x square minus 2x plus 4, x square minus 2x plus 4 minus 12. Okay, so what I'm getting, limit x tending to minus 2, 1 by x plus 2, and here I'm getting x square minus 2x minus 8 upon x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, correct? You'll say yes sir, correct. That means, can I write here limit x tending to minus 2, 1 by x plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 4, and here I am getting x minus 4 into x plus 2, x square minus 2x minus 8. Correct. That means, can I write that this x plus 2 and x plus 2 will cancel each other? We'll say yes, it will cancel it. Now see, 0 by 0 form is gone. So just put the value now. Minus 2 minus 4 by, I am getting 4 minus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So minus 6 by 12. So minus 1 by 2 is the correct answer. Okay, minus 1 by 2 is the